Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download the RedBull TV app on Fire TV. Now, when you don't want to find, just go down a step and search for the app of choice. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you RedBull TV and just type in RedBull TV. So RED. As you type, look at the suggestions below and immediately you see the application pop up. Navigate to it and you're going to be able to download without typing the whole thing. So right here you can see RedBull TV. Scroll down to it and click on it to get in. Now click on the app icon and you're going to have it load up the download button. Now when the download button loads, just click on it to download. Ignore the message on my screen saying my battery is low. I just clicked on the download button now and it is quicking. After a few seconds the download to begin. Be patient for the download to complete. When the download is done, automatically you're going to be able to find this app in your app library. The installation process is automatic, so you just head over to your app library and enjoy the application. If you found value in this tutorial, smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I'll be waiting to see you in the next video.